everyone. Happy Monday. I am alive. I am finally feeling better. Today's intention was to get in the shop. I had the whole afternoon planned to be out there just working on the desk. And I was going to wait to do my little check-in until then, but never made it out there. I ended up having way more to do in here than I anticipated, which was great though. It set me up really well for the rest of the week to truly be able to focus on the desk. So I think I can actually make some good progress on that this week. All right, guys, I'm gonna get out of here. I'll see you tomorrow in the shop. Have yourselves a great night. Bye. Good morning, everyone. Happy Tuesday. I'm back at the Walnut desk today. I need to finish breaking down all of the components for the two cabinets, and then it's time to lay out and cut all the joinery. We'll see if I can get at least one of those in clamps before the day is over, which would be amazing. It's probably a stretch though, let's be honest, you know. Anyway, for those of you who are not following my new company, Kittery Ave Customs, go give it a follow. Check out the post that I put up this morning, doing an inventory blowout there. So I just have tons of blanks left at this point, things that I have purchased for whatever reason, stuff that I bought for that event that was canceled, and it's just, none of it's laser engraved yet. So it's waiting for your logo or artwork or whatever. So go check it out. You can get bulk pricing on all of that stuff while supplies last. But while you're at it, like my page, share that post, and you get a chance to win one of the in-stock blanks, obviously customized. So yeah, all right, that's what I'm up to today. For those of you who are wondering about this is on pause for a little bit. There may be a design change coming with it as part of the whole epoxy ordeal. So that's why I'm not working on that at the moment. So that's just gonna sit tight. Okay, time to kick some peaches, people. Let's go make some walnut sawdust. Yeah, baby. All right, guys, that's a wrap for today. I got all of the components cut, all the joinery cut, and I got them assembled. I got both carcasses fully assembled. So tomorrow I will work on edge banding and then working on the top, which is going to have a plywood center and hardwood edge banding. I'm gonna do something a little stylish with that as opposed to just typical miters. I think it's going to really go well with the overall aesthetic of this design. I'm very happy with how my design has come together on it so that it's going to look seamless when all is said and done. Right now you can see where the edge banding needs to go, but once it's done, you're gonna be like, damn, that was good. Or so I hope. I hope the extra effort that I'm putting in is really gonna pay off on this one. Anyway, so that's a wrap. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have yourselves a great night. Bye. Good morning, everyone. Happy Wednesday. I got both carcasses completely edge banded. I do still need to do little dividers for where the drawers are going to go, and then I'll have to edge band that as well. I will probably work on that in a little bit. With these drawers, I'm doing one small one on top, two medium ones, and then a large one on bottom. And they're not getting typical drawer slides. They're going to actually have hardwood slides. So that'll be a little bit different of a challenge for me. But I'm looking forward to that. So I'll work on that in a little bit. But first, I've got these two tables that these belong to my parents, and they've asked me like a year ago to refinish them. So I'm working on that today since I'm set up with the edge banding. So what I'm actually going to be doing is repairing where the edge banding used to be on this. There's two spots on both of them, the exact same spots that the edge banding has failed. So I've already just peeled it up. It's coming up in like little sheets. These tables are stamped as genuine mahogany, as a lot of furniture is. And you know what? I really find that misleading, and it pisses me off that they do it, because the only part of this that is genuine mahogany is that edge banding, which is now failing. So I find that to be so devious that they claim that, because like, yeah, it's genuine mahogany, but it's only what, like a 1/16 of an inch thick, and the rest of it's just plywood. So I think that's just wrong. That's my opinion anyway. So both of these tables are failing in the exact same spots. There's a bunch of scratches that I need to fill as well, so I'll work on that after. But I wasn't entirely confident that I'd be able to match the exact coloring. So rather than trying to match it and failing, my parents were like, go ahead, do something different. Like, whatever, you're giving these new life, so just have at it. So what I'm actually gonna be doing is adding walnut to the spots that have failed. So I think that'll end up looking pretty good. It'll be, you know, definitely a contrast, but we'll see how it looks. And it's only the front and back of both tables that have failed. So as of right now, I'm just going to veneer those spots. If it looks stupid just with those as walnut, then I'll probably peel up this stuff and add it there as well. But yeah, I mean, once I get done with this, I'll send them a picture and see what they want me to do. To the benefit of when it's, you know, someone you know, you can just be like, hey, what do you think? Do you like it? No? Okay, great, cool. I'll just go jump off a bridge. No, I'm kidding. All right, guys, I gotta get back to work. I will see you all later. Have yourselves a great day. Bye. All right, guys, I'm done for the day. Alexa, turn off the damn music. Just don't listen. I did. Sorry. You know what? I'm just gonna keep rolling with it, okay? I didn't get to finish anything else on these today. I got one completely done. I did end up doing all 4 sides on it. I think it looks awesome. I love how, like, handsome it looks. This one here, I have the veneer all peeled off on both of these sides. These 2 are already on with their first coat of poly, but I'm out of veneer, so I had to order some more. So once that gets here, I will go ahead and finish that. I'm just using this 3-inch walnut pre-glued edge bending. Okay, guys, I gotta get out of here. Have yourselves a great night. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Happy Friday, people. I apologize for not coming on here at all yesterday, and now today. I honestly didn't want to do this at all, but here I am trying to finish out the week strong in one way or another. I'm kind of in between right now on some projects, waiting on materials to arrive, waiting on hearing back from clients and stuff like that. So today I got a bunch of admin done, a few little miscellaneous things that have needed my attention, and I also did a little fun project. For the first time ever, I laser engraved a wooden sign. I actually did 2 of them. I'll show you them right there. That's all I'm gonna show you for now. Why? Because I like to keep things interesting, okay? Is this a secret? No, not at all. But I don't care. It's gonna be a secret from now on, okay? All right, just get used to it. Anyway, so yeah, it was my first time doing the laser engraving on the laser for wooden signs, and I was really having a hard time getting it dark enough. So I was like, all right, whatever, I'll mask it. I did that and lasered it, and then when I spray painted it, I got awful bleed out. And I mean, I remember that with the CNC, that was always a pain in the butt. So I was like fighting with it. I'm trying to sand it out, and it's ash, so it's super porous, and it just, you know, streaky as can be. And I'm like, no, there's gotta be a better way. There's gotta be a better way. So I grabbed some poplar scraps, just because it's what I had, took that to the laser, and I did such a better job on it. And I used a different technique, and I got them nice and dark, so I don't even have to paint them. It looks really cool. I'm excited for it. No, I'm still not gonna show you. No, whatever. Do you guys even want to know how many times I redid this little round of stories to try to get it right? And this is what you've got. This is the one that's going to get uploaded. It's not real good. Guys, I'm done. I'm really done. Put a fork in me. I'm done. That one was for you, Aaron, because you said I have this crazy Boston accent, which I don't think I have. But it's for you. The word fork. Okay. Bye. Have a good weekend. You might see me next week. I don't know. When will I end this? I don't know.